Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about transgenic animals. Transgenic animals means what, sir? The animals which consist of transgene or foreign gene is called a transgenic animal. Foreign gene, transgene, alien gene or alien DNA, all are words are same. The animal which consists of transgene is called transgenic animal. Then the desired gene or a foreign gene transfer into the animal. The desired gene or foreign gene transfer into the animal, that process is called transfection. Transfection. Here I am going to mention some words, different definition for those words. Transfection, conjugation, transformation, transduction. First, transformation. Transfer the recombinant DNA into the host from surrounding medium is called transformation. Transfer the recombinant DNA into host organism from the surrounding medium is called transformation. Conjugation. Transfer the genetic material from one bacterium to another bacterium is called conjugation. Transfer the genetic material from virus to bacteria is called transduction. Transfer the genetic material into the animal is called transfection. Transfection. So here, to transfer the desired gene into the animal, mainly involved events are here microinjection, electroporation, disarmed vector, disarmed retrovirus. Mainly the events are involved to transfer the desired gene. Microinjection. Transfer the DNA into, directly transfer the DNA into nucleus of an animal cell through micropipettes, microsyringes, microneedles. This is microinjection. Electroporation. High amount of electric power is used here. Then it is create the pores in the cells, cell membranes. Through these pores, the DNA had been transferred into the cell. So high amount of electric power, 4000 to 8000 volt per centimeter. This much of power is used here. Then disarmed retrovirus. Disarmed retrovirus means non-pathogenic nature of retrovirus is used to transfer the desired gene into animal. These are the three important events. Then by all these events, any one event, they produce the different kinds of transgenic animal. Transgenic mice, transgenic rabbit, transgenic sheep, transgenic goat, transgenic cow, different. Among all transgenic animal, 95% transgenic animal is transgenic mice or transgenic rat only. Which of the following highest percentage of transgenic animal existed means transgenic mice or transgenic rat, 95%. Then what are the applications of transgenic animals, sir? That I am giving now. Transgenic animals applications. Even theory question also, define transgenic animal and mention the transgenic animals applications. 3 marks. Mention means you need to mention. Or of course, if they chance to ask, explain, describe briefly applications of transgenic animals. First, to study transgenic animals helpful for to study normal physiology and development. Normal physiology and development. Normal physiology and development. To study the genetic diseases, helpful to study genetic diseases or disorders. Genetic diseases. Biological products. Produce the biological products. Then vaccine safety testing. Vaccine vaccine safety testing. Vaccine safety testing. Chemical safety testing. Chemical safety मतलब toxicity. Chemical safety testing. So these are the 5 applications of transgenic animals. First one, to study normal physiology and development. Transgenic animals are used to help to study normal physiology and development of a gene. Exactly. Normal physiology and development of a gene. Generally, a gene involves to produce the protein. Gene involves to produce protein. So ultimately, gene product is a protein only. So here, normal physiology and development of a gene means how gene control the regulation of protein. How gene controls the regulation of protein. How it is helpful for growth and development of the organism. How gene control the regulation of protein. How the gene helpful for growth and development of the body. That is normal physiology and development of gene. Exactly, gene. For example, human insulin gene. Human insulin growth factor. How it is control the growth of the body. Human insulin. So to study of human insulin belongs to normal physiology and development of gene. Next, the second one, to study genetic diseases. To study genetic diseases means what, sir? Genetic diseases. So transgenic animals are helpful to study many genetic disorders, many genetic diseases. So genetic diseases are nothing but due to lack of or due to deletion of the genes. So the genetic diseases are discovered or genetic diseases are identified by transgenic animals only. So that transgenic animals not only identify the genetic diseases, but also it helps to control the genetic diseases. Means treatment, not only diagnosis for the genetic diseases, but also treatment also. How to control the genetic diseases, that's studied by transgenic animals. Transgenic animals are helpful for to diagnose the genetic disorders. Not only helpful for the diagnose the genetic disorders, but also helpful for to control how it is control the genetic diseases or disorders. For example, genetic disorders, cystic fibrosis, then cancer, cystic fibrosis, cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, Alzheimer's. So different. So many genetic disorders. So for example, cystic fibrosis, rheumatoid arthritis, Alzheimer's, cancer, this type of genetic diseases or genetic disorders can detect or diagnose by the transgenic animals. These transgenic animals are helpful to control these diseases. How it is going to control? Treatment for the genetic diseases done by the transgenic animal only. Next, third important event, biological product. This is somewhat important. Thoda careful. Biological product. I am giving here biological products. Sometimes only the chance to ask biological product. Transgenic animals, biological products. What are biological products are produced by transgenic animals? So here biological products. Biological products which are produced by transgenic animal, some are used as a medicines for a treat the diseases. What are, sir? Can you give example? Yes, interleukin 2, TPA, tissue plasminogen activator, TPA, alpha-1 antitrypsin, So these are the important biological products. products, medicines for the treatment. So interleukin 2. Interleukin 2 is a treatment for what, sir? Interleukin 2 treatment for interleukin 2 is mainly treatment for cancer and immune deficiency. TPA, tissue plasminogen activator, it's nothing but removal or dissolves blood clots in vessel who are suffering from myocardial infection. Alpha-1 antitrypsin treatment for emphysema. So these are the diseases. Similar some made biological products are treatment for phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria also had been made by transgenic animals. So here, interleukin 2, treatment for cancer and immune deficiency. TPA, tissue plasminogen activator, dissolve the blood clots in blood vessels who are suffering from myocardial infection, means heart strokes. TPA also called clot buster. TPA also called streptokinase. All are having same names. Then alpha-1 antitrypsin treatment for emphysema. Identify the correct statement, incorrect statement, matching, such type of questions also chance. This is the medicines. Some other products also there, biological products. What are other products, sir? For example, first time transgenic cow. First transgenic cow produced in 1997. First transgenic cow produced in 1997. That's called Rosie. Very, very, very important. First transgenic cow is Rosie. Produced in 1997. It consists of human alpha-lactalbumin. Human alpha-lactalbumin. It's having high amount of protein. It is responsible for high amount of protein. How much protein they are going to produce? 2.4 gram per liter. 2.4 gram per liter. It is a protein is produced by Rosie. Generally, human mother's milk is high amount of protein. So there is no comparison. There is no similarity that much of a protein in mother's milk, human mother's milk. There is no equal milk available in the society. So the milk protein which is responsible for woman's milk, responsible protein, that gene is isolated. That gene is nothing but human alpha-lactalbumin. So the gene is isolated and the gene is inserted in the cow and produce a transgenic animal. That's called transgenic cow Rosie. So transgenic cow Rosie has human alpha-lactalbumin. So due to the presence of human alpha-lactalbumin, it produces high amount of protein, 2.4 gram per liter. 2.4 gram per liter. So because of this much of protein in cow, in Rosie, so it is nutritionally better than normal cow. When compared to normal cow, Rosie is having very good nutritional values. Nutritional value means high amount of protein. This is nothing but transgenic animals, biological products. Not only that, transgenic animals, some sheep, transgenic sheep. So transgenic sheep is a producer for meat, food production. Not only transgenic fish, salmon. So salmon is nothing but transgenic fish. First transgenic fish, salmon. It's for the food material. Transgenic fish, salmon is for food. Transgenic fish. Transgenic rabbit, transgenic goat, different. Transgenic doggy. Doggy is a transgenic dog. Having high smelling power when compared to normal dog. Transgenic doggy. So these are different transgenic animals, transgenic products. Next, fourth application of transgenic animal is nothing but vaccine safety testing. Fourth, vaccine safety testing. Vaccine safety testing. So if any company, anything, vaccine discovered, invented. So the vaccine is how it is works. Is efficient or not? Vaccine safety. And having any side effect or allergic reactions, anything will be tested by transgenic animals. Transgenic mice are used to test the vaccine first time. First transgenic animal. First laboratory transgenic animal. Laboratory transgenic animal is transgenic mice. Polio vaccine, for example, polio vaccine. Polio vaccine. Polio vaccine tested by transgenic animal, means transgenic mice. So first transgenic laboratory animal is transgenic mice. Transgenic mice are used to test for vaccine safety. Not only. This is a vaccine safety. Next, chemical safety testing. Last application. Chemical safety testing. What is meant by chemical safety testing, sir? So transgenic animals are very sensitive to when compared to normal animal. Transgenic mice are very sensitive to normal. So these chemicals toxicity easily appear in transgenic animals. So transgenic animals are more sensitive compared to normal. So the transgenic animals are used to test the chemical safeties. Means if any toxicity by induced by any chemical, it's easily appear in a transgenic animal compared to normal animal. So these are the applications of transgenic animal. So transgenic animals applications to study normal physiology and development of a gene. Second, to study genetic diseases. Third, biological products. Fourth, vaccine safety testing. Fifth, chemical safety testing. These are the important one of transgenic animals.